my phone was just like, what are you doing? They just got married. Hello and welcome back to Ashley Life. In today's class, we're gonna do so much. So I'm doing hair and makeup for a wedding, then I'm going to that wedding. Then I'm going to this thing called Delusion in LA tonight. It's like a haunted interactive play. It's like going to a haunted house, but being in the haunted house for real. It's so cool. I just got home. I just did a quick change out of my dress because we're going to a haunted play and you could crawl on the ground, you could go in who knows what, so I just didn't want to be in a dress, but I'm so excited. I did hair and makeup. I went to the wedding. The wedding was beautiful and gorgeous. We did the little reception at the house that it was at. It was one of the most beautiful weddings I've ever been to, and I was so happy to be a part of it. After the reception, we went to the dinner. Amazing.
I don't know if she's got a camera out. I love it.
And I didn't get to stay for the whole dinner. I just got to stay for a little bit because I had to come home so we could head off to LA right now. Let's go. Thank you.
No worries.
Present day, Los Angeles. The world has become erratic since the theft of the Blue Blade, an artifact of unknown origin, rumored to give its owner the power to tear through the fabric of space and time. Once held by the Safeguard Society, an elite group of historians, the blade was stolen by Professor Evelyn Lowell, one of their own. Years pass, and one by one, Safeguard members disappear. As a sign of desperation, the Safeguard Society looks to you, their most promising initiates, to track down Evelyn and retrieve their most precious artifact before time is lost. There have been no leads. Until tonight.
I'm also vlogging at the same time as I'm doing stuff for her. My friend was just like, what are you doing?
Is that what you're doing?
They just got married.